What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Debrew, and in this video I will show you how we make $11,318.90 in 1 week on ClickBank using Facebook ads. And the best thing is that the week is not even done yet, right? So I'm working with one of my students on this campaign. This is his account. We're killing it right now, and in this video I will show you what type of offers to use on Facebook so you don't risk getting banned immediately, and offers that make good returns, right? So to be able to do this, I have the Debrew suite. I'm using the advertising suite and the landing page builder that it includes. I'm going to use Visto, which is a Facebook ads spy tool I use to see which offers are trending right now. And I already know which of the two spaces I want to look at, right? So I have two softwares. I have a big discount for the Debrew suite with the link in the description, and with Visto perhaps as well. I don't know yet. Now I'm recording this video. So I want to look for affiliate ads, and I want to include ClickBank, right? So the most important one, or can I only do ClickBank? So I want to look for ClickBank products that are trending right now, and it has a really good filter. What is important though is you have an affiliate tag and you have a diet tag. So you see a lot of different advertisements. However, it is important to note that not all the advertisements you see in the Visto spy tool are actually eligible to run on your ad accounts. You might run the risk of getting banned. So all in all, I don't want to run any diet, not any Nutra, no make money online, no business opportunity. I am looking for astrology. I'm looking for battery reconditioning like this, right? Short videos. I'm looking, because this is Nutra as well, like how to go to the dentist, all that stuff I don't play around with. It's just too risky. We don't want to get our ad account banned. Stop the rigging in your brain. They're very good creatives. I really like them. This is a woodworking project. Look how many woodworking projects there are. That is very suitable for us. We're trying to reach an older audience which has money to purchase these things. A lot of battery stuff. You see, so let's put some filters and see how far we can get, because you can basically scroll through this endlessly. I think Visto holds millions and millions of ads, anything from video ads to image ads. And let me show you something cool. So this is for the survival niche. Learn 10 survival skills. It's posted with some different copy. Let me see. This one is in a different language, so I'm looking for English. Let me scroll back to the top, or let me pick this one. Creative do-it-yourself life. So this is obviously promoting some energy kind of product in the US, right? And Visto has all kinds of data. So that might not be the right product to display for you, because it's not something I would immediately run. But the one I showed you before is. So I think personally the woodworking would have quite a large appeal if you can get your targeting right. So with the woodworking, which I'm pulling up right now, you can see seen from the 11th of January until the 11th of January. So live for at least 1 day, seen 8 times. So high frequency, right? So how this tool works is they have Facebook accounts with scrapers, and they basically scrape Facebook to see this ad and all the information that goes with it. So this is the Facebook page that it runs on. Right, so here it pulls up. It's a fresh page, only 7 people follow it. And fredwoodplants.com is perhaps not even a real website. Alright, it is. But if you click on take me to the plants, you get redirected, or click here to watch the video. Opt-in page 2. So they are a list builder. So they want an email, right? So I type ol@gmail.com. Yes, take me to the video. And then thank you page. And they should redirect me to the VSL, right? That's woodworking. This is a ClickBank offer. ClickBank, right here it says, right? So they collect emails. We are not in the process of collecting emails. And this is the landing page they use. Well, we just saw it, right? But basically, This is the lander that you would land on with the video that plays. These are the redirect paths, so there's Google Analytics, Google Ads on the page, all kinds of information. What you could do is even in the landing page section, you could even see a preview, because sometimes as a more advanced affiliate like myself, I hide my landers, right? So you cannot see it, so you can only see the preview, which is quite nice. Like this, you can see a preview, right? This is not something I recommend you run, because this might get your account shut down. It is a landing page exactly like I've shown in my previous video on landing pages. The layout is the same, right? Write the copy. We have a quiz on this side, but you can replace the copy and a long form copy below. But the great thing about Visto is you can click here and you can download the video or press here. So let me just mute my MacBook. Once you find an amazing video, right, you can just download the creatives and you can run them yourself. So obviously that is a huge benefit. I would like to stress though is that a spy tool is only a tool for inspiration, right? It's not something you should take as your primary source of creativity. It is something we use when we create our own angles, when we have our own creativity, to see if there's something more we can add, make our own angles better, perhaps take one or two creatives sometimes. But if you are reliant on this, then it will never work, right? This one is very cool. Mind's eye, financial abundance. I don't want to do finance. I do want to do the abundance, but I don't want to do something with money. I want to do like soul astrology kind of thing, where your star sign, that kind of stuff. You know, you have yoga burn, you have all kinds of crazy stuff, and there's literally thousands on thousands of these ads. So this is obviously a very weak ad about Reiki manifestation, but there are some amazing ads as well. Like I love when people are in the picture, right? It really creates a good pattern of engagement. However, it is also important to note that there should be some structure to it. So this is a very nice one. This one stands out quite a bit for the woodworking. So that is important. When you click on this lander, it will take you to the actual landing page the user is using, like I explained before. And it just is a ClickFunnels lander that has been taken down, but it used to look like this. You can see it's made in ClickFunnels because it redirects me to my own ClickFunnels account, which basically means that it's no longer active. But you could basically take all this copy. All right, so now we know how this works, right? I think it's very clear. You can even use these filters to say I only want ads that run in the United States. You can even do like e-commerce platforms, Shopify, Salesforce, Magneto, WooCommerce, but we are on the affiliate side of things, right? Add language, video or image, both, reaction, share, comments, so very extensive. Yes, very, very. So if you search this, and let's just put just one filter, which has, let's say, over 10,000 reactions. I think that would be quite dope, if there's any which fit that criteria, but many do. You see, many do. Solar, oh my god, solar is, I would probably say, my #1 thing I would run. Do it yourself solar, definitely. You can even take like a small money angle, and if you then go into the Debrew suite, this lander, but I would say if we go to landing page templates, the previous one I showed you guys, right? Because what are they using? Let me just check their lander real quick. Now I get excited, yeah? Now I get excited. Because, yeah, see? So this is like a long form. I wouldn't use a long form one. With Solar, you just need to ask questions, man. Just ask questions. So this one is 8 questions. I would do it. You can cut it shorter, that quiz, but I think the other one I have is so suitable for this one, like extremely suitable. It is Nutra, so you have to rewrite the copy, but this one, Nutra Quiz 1, that's what it's called. Although it's called Nutra, just use it for Solar, man. Give it a juicy headline. It has nice creatives. Put the image here, small copy. Let me pull it up for you. So it has like a small quiz, right? Some questions, 4 answers. And even when you switch it to mobile portrait, right? You can just minimize that and pull the quiz to the top, right? You just move the quiz to the top, cut this text down, have a juicy image. However, obviously, as you're dealing with an older audience, the desktop still works really well, right? Some long copy, take the quiz now, it will push you up again. You take it, you get redirected to the offer, and usually these solar things with ClickBank end up in a video sales letter again, right? If you use anything from like Ted's Woodworking or anything like that, and you want to get a simplistic flow, let me grab another lender for you guys, because there's many. You can use this one as a very branded simple quiz. So just put the brand on top, fill in the information. Which one? This one is obviously, I think, our #1 Facebook quiz. If I look at so it's Facebook compliant quiz on #4 this month, which is the one I just showed you. And then branded quiz, which is this one, is #3. This one is not suitable for Facebook, but this is #2. This one you could use on Facebook, but I don't think it will outperform something like a quiz. This one is the #1, but it's one mostly often used on native. I would say Facebook compliant quiz, which is this one, is the hottest one right now, because you can alter it to so many different functionalities and fit it in with any of the Fisto things. So just to clear it up, Fisto is a great tool to use. You don't have to use it, but it would be a tool for great inspiration, right? We don't rely on a spy tool. We do not do rip and runs. Take from the spy tool and run it, because they're never consistently profitable. Then in addition, I use the Deborah Suite because obviously I own the entire platform. You can sign up with a huge discount and all my free courses included through the link in the description. And obviously we hope that you can achieve some amazing results as well, like such, right? 1, 2, 3, 4K a day as we're building up. Don't go after the Nutra niche. Don't go after the make money online niche. We, as per usual, will experience maybe 1 or 2 bans every quarter, right? So you still need to deal with the bans, but almost non-existent compared to daily bans, daily ad account wipes. We have very little issues because we run a white hat approach with offers that are suitable for Facebook ads. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to have a look. And I'll see you guys in the next one.